Everyone, I'm going to do a comparison between the Maxpedition micro pouch and Decathlon's solognac pouch. So the solognac pouch is £7.99 from Decathlon, and the Maxpedition micro pouch, I bought it for £16.95. So look at the measurements first. So the width on the solognac is about 12, almost 12 centimeters, and the length is about 15.5 centimeters. The width of the micro pouch is 10.5 centimeters, and the length is about 14.5 centimeters. So I'll take this one first. I'll just show you the label. As you see, it's got a buckle behind there. It's called the Xaxis. You can actually get a medium size in this as well. It costs £1 or £2 more, and you can use it on your backpack or on your belt. So it has it's a double zipper. It opens from the top, then opens downwards. So there's lots of elastic bands. There's 3 big ones on this side, and a medium and small one on this side. There's a pouch behind here, and a zipper pouch. One of the annoying things about this is these white labels. I can never make a neat cut, and there's one on the outside as well. Okay, so as you can see, the zippers are quite fat, a bit stiff as well. It has a small handle. So the micro pouch, it opens up like a book. It has and it opens much easier. You can see 2 medium-sized elastic band here and 3 small ones on this side. Just a pouch on each side and a loop here. This one's made in Taiwan. The solognac is made in China. So the Denier on these are, on the solognac it's 600, and on the micro pouch it's 800. And the Denier, it refers to the thickness of the yarn and weight of the material that's used to make it. Both of these say that they don't grow mold on them. They're mold resistant. This one is 100% polyester, and this one is nylon. And on the website, it's apparently a high quality nylon. They use Teflon. They use Teflon in the making of this, and it's a single zipper. The paracord on the zipper is much thicker than this one, and better quality as well than the solognac one. And the handle is much more practical. It's an oversized handle, and it's really good for people with big hands. And even the feel is telling as well. This one's just the Maxpedition micro pouch, just feels much better quality than this one, and it's just, you can see the design language is much more practical and just better quality overall than this one, although it's great for the price. So the solognac does come in an army print, and the Maxpedition micro pouch comes in 2 or 3 other colours. So as I was saying, the design is just more thought out on this one. I'll just show you quickly of the 2 items I carried the most, which is this Victorinox Swisschamp and the Olight M2R Pro. I've done videos on both of these, a long-term review of this and an unboxing of the Olight, if you want to check that out. So as you can, I can easily fit these 2 bulky items in here. Now the reason I wanted a micro pouch is because I carry this in my handbag. I don't really want anything bigger than what these 2 sizes. So it just about fits in, and it closes easily. There you go. So it holds it in very nicely. I am going to be doing an EDC of my Maxpedition micro pouch in the future, so you can look out for that if you're interested. Okay, so going to the solognac one. again, the layout, I guess it is good for people who have a lot of small items, thin items. But if I just wanted to put these two in, it just doesn't really fit in any of these elastic band, and obviously it's too big for this side. I mean, I could just fit this in here, but then I have to be careful what else I put in here. So I do have bulky items, but as I said, it's great for if you have a lot of small items. And the thickness, I'll just show you the thickness between the two pouches. Oh, let me just close this zip. Okay, so that's what it looks like from the sides. Even though they're not that much different in terms of length and width, it's much more micro pouch is much more slimlined than this one, which again attests to the quality of this. So you do get more for your money. I mean, it's just over more than double this in price. I would definitely recommend the maxpedition micro pouch over this one. But this is great if you want to get, you know, a few, but you don't want to spend much on pouches, especially if you want to get it for family members or friends as gifts. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this one. I really, really like this pouch. As you probably figured out, I use this one and not this one. I just wanted to get this one just to see the difference in the price, why it's so different in price, and if it's justified. And I think it is, especially if you can find it at the price of £16.95. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. As I said, I'll be making an EDC video of what I carry, including my handbag, so look out for that one. Anyway, I hope you stay safe, take care, bye.